Hello guys, today, I am honored to present to you the Xiaomi 15, a flagship smartphone that exemplifies innovation, performance, and design excellence. Launched on October 29, 2024, the Xiaomi 15 has set new benchmarks in the smartphone industry, offering users an unparalleled experience. Design and display. The Xiaomi 15 features a sleek and sophisticated design, measuring 161.3 by 75.3 by 8.4 mm and weighing between 213 to 191 grams, depending on the variant. Its IP68 rating ensures resistance to dust and water, providing durability for everyday use. The device boasts a 6.36-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, delivering vibrant and sharp visuals. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and achieves a peak brightness of 3200 nits, ensuring clarity even under direct sunlight. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite chipset, built on a 3nm process. This octa-core processor includes a prime core clocked at 4.32 GHz, ensuring swift and efficient performance. Users can choose between 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, coupled with storage options ranging from 256 GB UFS 4.0 storage, providing ample space for all your needs. The device runs on Android 15, customized with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Leica-powered triple camera setup on the Xiaomi 15. It comprises a 50MP primary sensor with an f/1.6 aperture and optical image stabilization (OIS), a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This versatile camera system ensures stunning photos in various lighting conditions. The front-facing 32MP camera caters to high-quality selfies and video calls. Battery and charging. The Xiaomi 15 houses a robust 5240 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage without frequent recharging. It supports 90W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, allowing for quick and convenient power replenishment. Additionally, the device offers reverse wireless charging at 10W, enabling users to charge other compatible devices on the go. Connectivity and additional features. Connectivity options include 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, and USB-C, ensuring seamless integration with various networks and devices. The Xiaomi 15 also introduces the Xiaomi Star technology, enabling communication between two devices without the need for a mobile network or internet connection, even in underground locations. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals working in extreme conditions, such as explorers and rescue workers. Conclusion: the Xiaomi 15 stands as a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology and exceptional user experiences. Its blend of elegant design, powerful performance, advanced camera capabilities, and innovative features make it a compelling choice for consumers seeking a premium smartphone. Thank you for your attention. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.